Seoul Media Institute of Technology is where tomorrow's cybersecurity leaders begin their journey. Located in Seoul's digital media hub, SMIT blends advanced technology with global education. Our philosophy is clear. Startup mission is our identity of tomorrow. We learn fast, we innovate faster. Our president led the design of Korea's top talent program, BOB, and continues to shape the future of cybersecurity education. With BOB's outstanding methods and mentorship, SMIT's cybersecurity program offers a rigorous 2-year curriculum that integrates in-depth theoretical learning with practical experience. In the first year, students choose specialized electives and build a customized learning path. In the second year, students strengthen their capabilities through real-world research and applied projects. Through partnership with KITRI's BOB program, students gain elite, field-based training from top experts. With 8 DEF CON victories, CVE discoveries, and international publications, students lead global achievements. Students grow through one-on-one mentoring and collaborative problem-solving with industry professionals. Electives span foundational to advanced topics like cryptography, malware analysis, and cloud security, helping students build both breadth and depth. Second-year courses include penetration testing, forensics, and red-blue team simulations, all grounded in real-world scenarios. Capstone projects drive students to develop and present solutions to critical cybersecurity challenges. Graduates thrive in roles such as cybersecurity consultants, forensic analysts, and SOC engineers. The program is led by BOB mentors and industry experts, along with academically distinguished faculty in cybersecurity. SMIT is building joint doctoral pathways with global universities, including partners in the United States. We offer generous scholarships and one-on-one admission support for all qualified applicants. Start your journey to lead the future of cybersecurity at SMIT.